I think we're just beginning to explore how education assistants can become a really important resource in the transformation of South African education. We know that the early years are really fundamental in building the building blocks of effective learning, and teaching assistants have a very important role in essentially creating an environment that's necessary to really begin to build a strong and robust education system.
You know, sometimes the teacher can't always be there for all the learners in the class, so that's when EA comes in. You're available to help the learners, and then you're also available to help the teacher in class.
In Afrikaans, say, Patrick, say, look, is also, but is it?
The EAs are the education assistants, mostly coming from majority from previously unemployed youth, but now they are employed as education assistants. And we teach anyone who would like to implement iZandi. It's a 2-day training.
Good morning, Kuyamore Molweni Nijani. I will try to use my teacher voice. So welcome to the iZandi training. If you follow me, it means you're going to training room 3. That will mean isiXhosa.
Today, is iZandi training. I'm sure there's a lot going on in your mind. What is this about? Why are we here? Ne? It's very important to explain the purpose of why do we have Zazi and why are you there implementing it. Kufumaniseka ba apha kuthi South Africa abantwana cannot read for meaning. That means they cannot comprehend. So now we're starting early, teaching them letter sound so that they understand what a sound is, so that they can build from that at their own pace, and we learn through play. So that's why we're here. The first day we normally do how to assess learners and how to regroup them, because we need to teach learners according to their level of understanding. I'm going to be the child, and now you are going to mark me. But if I say this is you put incorrect, even if you made a mistake, don't panic. Get used to your app, and then we will start again and do another one. You'll get out here knowing how to navigate here, okay? Yeah. E. TeamPact is the app we use for assessing the learners that has all the letters the child has to be assessed on within a minute. We train the youth on how to utilize the tool. Then the next day, we train the EAs how to conduct a proper iZandi session. A iZandi session takes place within the classroom. Now let's pretend this is our classroom. My kids come to me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is that sound? Isn't it? Since we learn through play, we play games and we incorporate the letters in that game. Thereafter, we track all the letters the child knows and their progress on TeamPact. Ooh, the sound E. We will complete day 2 knowing that everyone is confident on doing assessments and everyone is confident on doing sessions. This one is yours. You'll get an EA guide. Working in this project has been the highlight in my career, because every time I wake up, I know that I'm doing something I love. I'm very passionate about it.